Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. This is the 4 hours chart of Euro USD in front of us. And while looking for trading opportunities, I could find only few. So if I have missed anything, please write down in the comments section. I would love to learn from it. Okay, so after the NFP yesterday, we saw that there was some sort of recovery on the chart of Euro USD, and Euro USD's last traded price is 1.0185. This is the last traded price, and as I have already mentioned, you have also read in other articles that experts around the world are of the opinion that Euro USD will soon hit 1.000 level, but right now we can see that there is some sort of recovery. So yes, as of now we can say that buyers on Euro USD are still very much active, and they are giving their best fight to recover Euro USD. So let's try to understand the levels first, but before that I would like to take you to the forex sentiment meter. My dear friend, this is forex sentiment meter. It tells us about the position of the retail traders, and as you can see that 75% retail traders have taken buy position. They are on the long side, and only 24% retail traders have taken sell position. It means that they are on the sell side, and the average buy position is 1.0533. 1.0533. See, so almost 75% retail traders took buy position somewhere around here, and right now market is trading here, and this is the main reason why retail traders lose money. This is the main reason why 90% retail traders lose money, because we fail to follow the trend of the market, and whenever we realize that our trade has gone wrong, we fail to exit. We do not exit from the market. My dear friend, analysis may go wrong. Even no trader is 100% accurate in the market, but a trader should know when to exit at the right time. So my dear friend, in case market shows weakness again in the coming week, then please exit from the buy position, and please protect your hard-earned money and protect your capital, because we retail traders have limited capital, and do not forget that. Okay, so what are the trading opportunities for us then? Okay, so first trading opportunity is this 1.0240. As you can see that I have already drawn the Fibonacci retracement levels. So yes, there is a possibility, considering the overall bearishness in the market, there is a possibility that sellers will still try to dominate the picture, and we can expect that market will be facing the same selling pressure. So if market reverses from this particular level here, 1.0240, if market reverses from this level, or if we see some sort of rejection, price rejection from above around this level, we can take a sell position. But yes, observation will be very important, because no level is permanent in the market, and a trader should be very careful before placing the order. So how to place the trade? So once market hits this level, observe the market, try to understand the body language of the market. If you see that market is showing price rejection from above, if you see that market is showing a shooting star kind of a pattern or something like this, okay, you get the confirmation that yes, sellers are present in this level, and you can take a sell position. Okay, so this is the opportunity number one. Second trading opportunity is around 1.0070, around this level. As we can see that when market was falling, yeah, listen to me carefully, when market was falling sharply, this was the level from where market tried to bounce. So we still do not have the confirmation whether strong buyers are present or not. Okay, we just have the information that market tried to bounce from this level here. So in case market test the level again, listen to me carefully, in case market test the level again, 1.0070, watch the market, observe the market, and see if market reverses or bounces. Okay, you will get a double bottom pattern, or in simple words, buyers are present in this level, and you can take a buy position as well. But yes, again, you will have to observe the market. If you see that after hitting or reaching this 1.0070 level, market is forming hammer kind of pattern, or any good price rejection from below will give you the confirmation that yes, this is a level we can trust and we can take a buy position. And in case following the present trend of the market, if market breaks 1.0070 level, then obviously you can take a sell position. Okay, but yes, observe the size of the candle, because no breakout is possible without the support of volume. So volume is extremely important for any breakout. So if you see market breaking the level with a big fat red candle, it gives you the confirmation that sellers are present, sellers are dominating the scenario right now. Okay, and you can take a sell position. So the same level 1.0070 can be a buy level as well, or it can also be a sell level as well. So it depends how the market reacts once it reaches the particular level here. So whatever you do, follow proper risk management, because risk management is extremely important for the safeguard of our capital. Okay, bye bye, take care, see ya on Monday again, and do not gamble with your hard-earned money.